Craving something cozy, savory, and insanely satisfying? What if I told you that your next go-to comfort food could come from a pack of instant ramen with a smoky, buttery twist? Stick around because this bacon and egg ramen is about to blow your taste buds away. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for this flavor-packed bowl. 1 package of instant ramen, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1 fried egg, 3 slices of bacon, 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced scallions, kosher salt, black pepper. Start by bringing 2 cups, or 480 milliliters, of water to a boil in a small pot. Add in the ramen seasoning packet, along with 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir it all together until that buttery richness melts right in. Now drop in the noodles and cook them until they're tender and springy. About 2 minutes is all it takes. Then pour everything into a bowl, broth and all. Top it off with a golden, crispy fried egg, your crispy chopped bacon, and a sprinkle of fresh scallions. Finish with a touch of salt and a crack of black pepper to taste. Look at that bowl. Rich, steamy, and bursting with flavor. 1 bite, and you'll never look at instant ramen the same way again. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more quick and mouth-watering recipes like this one. Now go on, slurp it up.